Hi, I'm Brad English for Name Hyperbytes. Module 2 of OneSignal coming up. A nice easy one, this one. Just going to quickly show you how to install the OneSignal extensions into your project. So I'm just going to go into the Edit Project Settings, into Extensions, Add Extension, and it is at Hyperbytes / Wappler OneSignal. Click Save. Click Save again. There the extensions should now be installed into your application. Let's give it a few seconds. There we are. That is installed successfully now. And if we do a quick restart of Wappler, we'll be able to see those extensions are present. So just give me one moment. Okay, so I've now rebooted Wappler. If I just quickly create a random API action, and you'll now see that notification modules are there, and we can see all of the appropriate OneSignal actions that I've created, and we'll be working through them one by one, or the important ones, so we can cover the likes of your web push, your email, SMS, adding subscriptions, etc. So I look forward to meeting you in the next module.